와, 진짜 엄청난 에너지를 받는 시간이었어요. 사실 제가 좀 이렇게 즐거운 시간을 드리고자 함께 하는 거라고 생각했는데 더 제가 더 많이 받고 너무나 열정을 많이 받아서 앞으로도 더 좋은 모습 많이 보여드려야겠다라고 더 많이 생각하는 시간이었고요. 처음부터 정말 끝날 때까지 지치지 않고 응원해주시고 함께해주셔서 정말 너무 감사했습니다.
Well, first of all, I really want to say thank you. Salamat talaga sa inyong lahat because I got so much energy back from you. At first, I thought na ako ang magbibigay sa inyo ng saya, but actually it was the other way around. I got more of this happiness from all of you. I got so much passion and recharge. So it really made me feel that I have to do better for the future and I have to really work, show you more a better side of me. So salamat po talaga sa inyong lahat.
Yes, guys. Thank you all so much. Now, narinig natin ang message ni G1 for all of us. How about we give her our "We love you" as well? So on the count of 3, let's say, "We love you." Okay lang ba yun? Alright, and 3, 2, 1! We love you! Bring up your banners! Let's go! Oh, thank you.
지원아, 나는 영원히 그리고 더 오래 너와 함께할 거야. 너무 감동적이에요. 진짜 너무 감사합니다.
Nakaka-touch yung nakasulat sa ating banners that you will be forever be with me. Thank you so much.
Yes, of course.
Right. And of course, we're sure that G1 would love to come back for all of our Filipino fans. Will you still be attending pag bumalik siya?
Yes!
And of course, we hope that it will
Bro,
still
what
be
kami
the
next
top
time?
world. Para talaga naman
Next time?
konti ang fan meeting at
Mga scalper na yan, papansin sila.
buo at maraming perks. So, by the way, at the end of this event, guys, please do not go away kasi meron pa kayong high-bye, okay? You guys remember? Alright. So, thank you guys so much. We hope that Be My One with G1 in here.